What's up, Emoji Gang, Emoji Squad? So before you even get started, make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on post notifications on to be notified every time I make a new video. But yeah, so today I'm finna show y'all how to make a sound on Android. So yeah, so the apps you'll need is KineMaster, Musical.ly, Dubsmash, Google, and yeah. So let's get on right with the video. Okay, so first you want to go to Tumblr Baddies. You can use Tumblr Baddies, and then you can use Instagram because that's the best pictures, I think. But just search up Tumblr Baddies if you want to, and then and then search one that you like, and then screenshot it. And then what you want to do is go to the you want to record like a cute background or a blank screen, and you want to save it to your gallery, which I already did. So then you want to go to your gallery, and then go to the dub you just saved. So I think it's this one. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I'm loving it.
So then you're gonna hit share, KineMaster, and then after you're gonna so then you wanna hit layer, and you want to hit media, and then you want to go to screenshots, and then get the picture you just saved, and then you want to crop it. So you want to tap the picture with the yellow on it, and you want to crop it and hit mask, and then like feather it. So feather it so only like the face and stuff could be in it. So if you don't want like that, just like zoom in on the face, and then hit shape, and then hit the square right here, and then you want to do that, hit the check mark, and you want to zoom it in. You want to zoom the picture in to fit the other background, and then just hit the check mark and play it to see what it looks like.
Yeah, I'm loving it. Gonna take this. Make your booty go. Girl, I'm trying to get my hand.
Okay, so you can avoid this part. You're gonna tap the picture, and you're gonna make it longer to fit with the audio. So then hit the check mark again, and
yeah, I'm loving it. Gonna take this. Make your booty go. Girl, I'm trying to get my handprints all on that dairy.
Okay, so to avoid this, you want to trim the video and then trim the picture so it could all fit, and then like you have to like play around with it. So I'm gonna see y'all when I'm like done, probably, because this video gonna be long. But okay guys, so if you wanna like change the speed, you wanna tap the audio picture and then hit speed control, and you can do it like really slow. So it'll be like this. No, my bad. That's fast. So it could sound or look like this. So, but if you want to make it really slow, just do this. And then you go really, really slow.
I'm loving it.
So, yeah, just you can play around with it.
Yeah, I'm loving it. Let me take this.
So, I'm just going to put it back at its normal speed. And yeah.
Yeah, I'm loving it.
So, on to the text part where you get the, like, the words on the screen. You want to go to layer, hit text, and then type in your username. I already made a couple of sounds, but it's alright. So type in your name of your sound page or your regular page or whatever, but okay, also, just in case y'all want to follow me, go follow my sound page. I will make it a little later. So then you want to hit OK. And then you want to hit this A button and you can choose. You can do Android or Latin, but I do Latin or Android sometimes. But I prefer Latin and I do the junction one sometimes. So then I just like make it bigger or smaller. And I just play around with it a little bit. And then I choose the color. And the color I want it to be. So yeah. And then you wanna make the text as long as the audio in the picture. So then you can like split it, but I don't split mine. Yeah. So then you can play it all together and see how it looks. Right. Now let's see how it looks.
Yeah, I'm loving it. Yeah, I'm loving it. Yeah, I'm loving it. Let me take this. Make your booty go. Girl, I'm trying to get my hand.
Okay, so the effects, you hit layer and then you hit effect. And then you hit basic effect and you can hit this. And then let's see how it looks with it. So then you can trim or split the effect. But I'm not going to do none of that. I'm just going to
Yeah, I'm loving it. Let me take this.
So I'm finna try to like split it or do whatever. The way you go split it up is to make it where you want it to be. So what is this?
Yeah, I'm loving it. Let me take this. Make your booty go. Girl, I'm trying to get my hand.
Okay, so then once you want to save it and you good at how it looks, you want to hit this button. Oh, to get the watermark off, you just gotta pay for it. But if it's not long enough, I would go to Snapchat and I would scribble it out with the little thing. So yeah, but then you hit this button right here, and then you go to the one you just made and hit share. The share button and then hit export and hit no thanks, and then it's gonna export. So then I'm gonna show you how to do it, but this video finna be long, so I'm not gonna edit it or nothing. So yeah. Okay, y'all. So then you wanna hit right here. You can look at your video from your
Yeah, I'm loving it. Let me take this. Make your booty go. Girl, I'm trying to get my hand.
I'm gonna show you another effect in my other updated video. So then you wanna go to your gallery and you wanna hit. It depends on what phone you got, but you can hit this and you can look at it. So then you want to go to Musical.ly. Make sure y'all follow me, by the way. But you go to Musical.ly, you hit the plus, and hey y'all. So y'all, the weirdest thing just happened. This video finna be so long, but I'm not editing it. So I just did this, and I was like, yeah, and then I did this, and I flew forward. I did this. And I went face forward and I almost hit my dresser. It's right here. Y'all. But what you want to do is hit upload. And then you want to do your thing you just did. Next. And then, yeah. But, okay, so you can add effects, which I forgot about. But you can do this.
Yeah, I'm loving it. Gonna take this. Make your booty go. Girl, I'm trying to get my hand. Yeah, I'm loving it. Gonna take this. Make your booty go. Girl, I'm trying to get.
So then you can add a text or whatever. My phone was tripping. So yeah, my phone was tripping. So you can add a text, and you can post it, and there you go. So thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn those post notifications on to be notified every time I make a new video. Bye, Emoji Gang, Emoji Squad.